My name is Logan Gaines. I go to school and play baseball here at South Georgia College. My teammates know me as a shy, quiet person, but also know me as a spoiled yet grounded person as well. They tell me how lucky I am to have things easily provided for me. But when asked about how many brothers or sisters do I have, I answer with a smile and say that I am an only child. Although being an only child has its perks, it also has its faults as well. As an only child, I feel that I am provided with more resources and nurtured more than any person who has one or more relatives. Sharing is not an issue. I do not have to worry about my things being taken without my permission. Also, I have my own sense of privacy as well. However, being an only child has its downsides as well. Growing up, I missed out on the experience of living with a brother or a sister, and at times I feel lonely and depressed because I have nobody to talk to or spend time with when my friends are not around. Even though loneliness sets in at times, I feel many ways to cope and entertain myself. When I was younger, my mom asked me if I wanted a little sister or brother. I quickly shook my head and said no. Even though I enjoy the perks and benefits of being an only child, occasionally I look back and wonder, what would my life have been like if I had a brother or a sister?